buttermilk-brined pork chops that we are gonna shallow fry and serve with this awesome pickled red onion and red cabbage. Jeffrey, you're gonna get going on the kind of the slaw here. As thinly as humanly possible with that sharp knife, that red cabbage. We got in there our pickling liquid. We got some red wine vinegar, a couple bay leaves, some salt, some sugar, and a thinly sliced red onion. You're gonna mix all this together. It's gonna chill out in the fridge. Overnight is ideal. Next, we got these pork chops. Bone in, well marbled, right? Go to the butcher, be like, give me the best pork you got, right? This is the centerpiece. You want that darkness here. It's just gonna create a very nice, juicy bite. And you want the bone in, and you want that fat meat attached to it.
Yes,
that's a country rib right there. That's my favorite part. Buttermilk, this is the first ingredient. I'm gonna pass to you, Alex, but for the time being, about a cup of buttermilk for our brine, our marinade, some hot sauce, some granulated garlic, good amount of salt and pepper.
Chicken brine.
Exactly, and there's no reason you can't treat your pork like you do fried chicken. I do this about 2 hours in a bag. Overnight can get a little aggressive with pork because of the buttermilk, you know, it's got natural acid in it. You can kind of start cooking it. We want it tender, we want it flavorful. We don't want it like chalky, sometimes how that over-marinated meat gets. We got a bag. We got our pork right into the bag. Jeffrey, how's it going over there?
Oh, just
the quietest
so nice.
you've been in 30 seasons of this show.
I forgot he was here already.
I know, it was like ideal. Into a bag, into the fridge. You could do it up to, 4 hours, but I think 2 hours on the countertop is ideal. I got some ready to go here. Jeffrey, once those are all chopped, you can combine the pickling liquid with those beautiful vegetables. Yep, put them all in there at once.
Salt?
Salt, no, everything's seasoned in the pickling liquid. Nice and warm, right? Quick pickle. The warmer the liquid, the quicker it will pickle, but I'm looking for that big, almost like purple hue. Now look at these beautiful pork chops.
Oh,
thick cut. Look at that cut on there, too.
Gorgeous, Jeff.
All right. We got our oil going in a cast iron skillet here, some vegetable oil. You want it about 325. You don't want to go 350 here. You want a lower, slower fry to help cook the inside to a perfect medium 135 while we get the golden brown. You don't want to over brown it, okay? Now we do our Feb station, right into the flour. What does Feb stand for, Alex? Flour, egg, breadcrumb.
Feb.
Feb. Shake off the excess into the egg, Jeffers. We're getting that going. Starting, this is that bulletproof.
Jeffers?
Right? Coating. Jeffers, yeah. We've been talking about them a lot these last couple shows.
What's that?
Just a canister of seasoned breadcrumbs.
Oh, yeah.
One of my
No
faves.
Payco. Thin, right? Real fine breadcrumbs. I like to kind of hit the sides, too, like that. I don't like to flip it more than once. Yeah, you can, no! There's one in the fridge that's been chilling out for a while. I want you to bring that out.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh my God.
Man, this guy is on autopilot, and it's scary when he's not doing what he's told.
Look at that, everybody.
That is so pretty. Look at that. I don't even, what is that? What is that color? Is that
Magenta.
purple? Is it magenta?
Magenta.
Fuchsia?
Yeah. Get a little bit of fresh parsley in there. And now we got that oil, right? We're looking for not an aggressive bubbling here, right? But we do want it to bubble, because if it's not bubbling, it's not hot enough, it's not frying, it's just gonna suck up all that oil. But in this case, you can see it around the rim of there. You can always do the breadcrumb tester. See if they start bubbling up nice. That's what we're looking for. We're on to the next one here, Jeffrey. And now we got another PC here to go to the FEB station. Oh, need a little more salt, huh? Just had to do it, didn't you, buddy? Just had to one-up me, didn't you? I can't win ever. I got some, listen, you can do about 3 to 5 minutes to the internal temperature, hits 135. If it's getting too golden brown, it's getting too dark, and you know it's not cooking in the middle, you can always throw it in a 300-degree oven for a couple minutes. I got some ready to go here. Alex, are you? Oh, snap. Right as it came out of the shallow fry,
oh my
we hit it with a little salt.
Gorgeous.
Wow.
Remember, we use seasoned breadcrumbs. This can feed a family of 4 easily. That's a lot of meat with a lot of the veg on the side. Jeff, if you want to pass it, I'll leave it right there. I'm going to slice one.
Truly beautiful.
But we'll do this one whole.
You know how there's some things that you make and you say that looks like it came from a restaurant? This is
I agree.
restaurant.
And I like to kind of squeeze off
I like
And
that
it-
you can really, you can bread the pork and make the slaw ahead, and then you just
easily.
cook the pork and eat.
You can chill the breaded pork chop in the fridge for a while, right? And only
Yeah.
people do
mean,
with
come
fried
on.
chicken.
Oh, and now he's going there. A little mustard.
Oh, I hate
kind of
mustard.
mustard is
Oh,
that?
please don't.
What kind of mustard is that?
This is a little country Dijon, with the with the seeds in there.
I think a little applesauce will go too, right?
Totally. You
little-
could put apple in that slaw too.
I was
Oh.
thinking you could put the buttermilk in that slaw too.
Yeah, you can. You could do a lot of things, but unfortunately, I didn't do them. So
You like
there
how
go.
we're all just trying
Man
to
alive.
change your recipe,
Tough
Jeff?
group here.
Jeez
I don't think
Louise.
so, because I think when you make a recipe and you can imagine a lot of little tweaks. it
And that's
makes
the beauty of it,
it's a
right?
keeper.
You're open, right? You're never
the mustard.
done
This
learning.
is gorgeous.
I mean, that is it. I'm gonna slice this one up, Jeffrey. You got a knife over there? Can you grab me
This
one?
is really up my alley. Oh, listen to the sound when you cut into
That
it.
crunch.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Look at
I
this.
am
I wanna
so
cut-
liking this.
Yeah,
Look
yeah.
at this.
Sometimes when we're here and somebody's making something and you think like, I just can't wait to go home and make that, this is one of those occasions.
I'm gonna take this right here. Look at this. See this? That's going down.
That's going downtown.
Oh, my God. Okay. The cold slaw. First of all, that it's cold. Crunchy breading. Pure pork flavor, and then just a little bit of mustard on my bite. Little texture from the mustard seed. Jeff, this is a knockout.